Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Legal Tings. Today we're talking about what it means to file a criminal motion in a criminal case. What exactly, first, is a criminal motion? A criminal motion is a court application or request that's filed during criminal proceedings asking the higher court to do a variety of things, such as to review, reconsider, or change the amount of bail or the conditions of bail, to allow you to submit your appeal when the deadline for filing the appeal has already passed, to make a specific court order directing the production or disclosure of certain evidence in your case, or to release property that had earlier been taken or seized or frozen by the authorities during the investigation or prosecution of a case. What is the difference between a criminal motion and a criminal appeal? A criminal appeal can only be made against very specific situations at the conclusion of a case, such as when you or the prosecution want to appeal the court's judgment to convict or acquit you, the court's decision to impose a particular sentence, or a court order. On the other hand, a criminal motion is an application that can be made at any time in the course of ongoing or pending criminal proceedings. To commence or start a criminal motion, you must first file a notice to notify the other party or parties of your intention to make that particular application. This notice must be supported by an affidavit or a sworn statement which states the facts, the application being made, as well as the reasons for making the application. After the application is submitted, the court will schedule a hearing date where each party and side will present their respective arguments and evidence in support of their case. On the day of the hearing, the court will hear the criminal motion and make a decision whether to grant or to dismiss it, and the terms on which it will be granted or dismissed. One important thing to take note of is that the court can also order costs to be paid to either penalize you or your lawyer for filing a criminal motion that it feels is frivolous or intended to achieve an ulterior or improper purpose, or if the application was an abuse of the court's process. And that's why you should always carefully consider the strengths and weaknesses of your case, ideally with a criminal lawyer, before deciding to file an application for a criminal motion. So now you know. If you've enjoyed listening to this and would like to hear more, subscribe wherever you like to listen to podcasts and follow me on TikTok and Instagram. And remember, it's not rocket science. It's just legal things.